kids, now we'll do maths. Okay, please open your textbooks, page number 86. Page number 86 from your textbook. In the previous maths class, we were doing greater than, lesser than and equal to. Yeah, we were doing greater than, lesser than and equal to. Now in this class, we'll be doing ascending order. We'll be doing ascending. Ascending ante entante peragadam. Ascending ante peragadam. So what is ascending order? Ascending order is nothing but writing the numbers from small to big. Ascending means writing the numbers from small number to the bigger number. You know we have numbers from 0. Okay, we start with 0 and we have numbers. So the numbers which we write from the smaller number to the bigger number, they are called ascending order. Now I will give you few examples how to write the numbers in ascending order. 2, 4, 7, 1, 9 and 11. These are few numbers. Okay. Now I have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. How do I arrange? What I told you, ascending order is writing the numbers from small number to the bigger number. Now I have many numbers. Which is a smaller number? 2, 4, 7, 1, 9 and 11. Which is a smaller number? 1 is the smaller number. So write 1 first. Then next, which is a smaller number? 2. Then 4. Then 7. Then 9 and then 11. So this is called ascending order. This is called ascending order, writing numbers from smaller to the bigger. One more example. 9, 12, 14, 10, 8, 2. Okay, these are the numbers. Now you have to arrange them into ascending order. Now which is a smaller number? 2. Take 2. Then 8. Then 9. Then 10. Then 12. After that 14. So from smaller number we are writing till the bigger number. So this is called ascending order. So whenever the numbers are given to you, when we ask you to write the ascending order, you have to start from the smaller number to the bigger number. That is called ascending. Ascending ante peragadam. Ascending order. Okay. Please copy down this. Okay. After this, we'll do the next topic, that is descending. Descending order. What is descending order? Descending order, which we write the numbers from the bigger number to the smaller number. Descending ante taggadam. Descending ante enti taggadam. So we write from bigger number to the smaller number. That is called descending order. So I take few numbers. Okay, these are few numbers. Now I have to write from bigger number to the smaller number. So which is the biggest number? 17 is the biggest number. So 17, then 14, then 12, then 10, then 7 and 1. So numbers here are decreasing. They are coming down. I have started with a bigger number. It is coming to the smaller number. So this is called descending order. Okay. I'll give you one more example. I'll take 1-digit numbers. Now I have few numbers here. Let me write the descending order. Which is the biggest number? 2, 4, 7, 8, 9 and 3. So 9 is the bigger number. Then 8. Then 7. Then 4. Then 3. Then 2. So this is the descending order. So today we have done with two topics. One is ascending order, the other one is descending. What is ascending? Ascending order is arranging the numbers from smaller to the bigger. What is descending order? Descending order is arranging the numbers from bigger to the smaller. Okay children, hope you understood. Page number 87, 88 and 89 are for homework. Page number 87, 88 and 89 are your for homework. And you have to copy this into your classwork. Please copy down. You have to give finger gap and write down, children. Don't write the numbers together. దగ్గరగా రాయద్దు numbers. Finger gap ఇచ్చి దూరంగా రాయాలి numbers. Okay? You have to give finger gap and write the numbers in a distance. Otherwise it will be a confusion. Okay? Hope you all understood the class. We'll meet in the next class. God bless you. Stay safe.